Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
I will say the English word
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
agriculture,
Agriculture provides food for people.
atmosphere,
The atmosphere has a friendly vibe.
border,
We crossed the border yesterday.
capital,
Washington is the capital of the United States.
citizen,
Every citizen has responsibilities.
coast,
We drove along the coast.
continent,
Asia is a large continent.
countryside,
The countryside is peaceful.
desert,
The desert is hot and dry.
destination,
Paris is a popular destination.
distance,
The distance is 5 miles.
district,
She lives in a quiet district.
earth,
The earth moves around the sun.
environment,
We must protect the environment.
field,
The cows are in the field.
geography,
We study geography at school.
hill,
We walked up the hill.
landscape,
The landscape is beautiful.
location,
This is a perfect location.
nation,
Every nation has its own culture.
population,
The city's population is growing.
region,
This region is famous for wine.
route,
This is the fastest route home.
scenery,
The mountain scenery is amazing.
shore,
We walked along the shore.
soil,
Plants grow in healthy soil.
territory,
The animals protect their territory.
urban,
Many people live in urban areas.
rural,
My grandparents live in a rural area.
worldwide,
English is spoken worldwide.
government,
The government announced a new plan.
community,
Our community works together.
law,
Everyone must follow the law.
rule,
Please follow the rules.
policy,
The company changed its policy.
election,
The election is next month.
vote,
Many people will vote today.
leader,
A good leader listens to people.
president,
The president gave a speech.
mayor,
The mayor visited our school.
court,
The case went to court.
judge,
The judge listened carefully.
lawyer,
The lawyer spoke to his client.
crime,
The police are investigating the crime.
police,
The police arrived quickly.
prison,
The prisoner was sent to prison.
justice,
Everyone deserves justice.
right,
Everyone has the right to speak.
freedom,
People value their freedom.
society,
Education is important for society.
economy,
The economy is growing.
business,
She owns a small business.
industry,
The technology industry changes quickly.
market,
The market opens early.
trade,
The two countries increased trade.
product,
This product is popular.
service,
The hotel provides excellent service.
customer,
The customer asked a question.
consumer,
Consumers compare prices.
company,
He works for a large company.
factory,
The factory produces cars.
employee,
The employee arrived early.
employer,
The employer offered me a job.
career,
She wants a career in medicine.
profession,
Teaching is an important profession.
salary,
His salary increased this year.
wage,
Workers receive a weekly wage.
profit,
The business made a profit.
loss,
The company reported a loss.
budget,
We created a monthly budget.
debt,
He is working to pay his debt.
credit,
Good credit is important.
payment,
I made the payment online.
tax,
We pay taxes every year.
price,
The price is too high.
cost,
The cost of food is rising.
value,
This house has great value.
wealth,
Health is more important than wealth.
poverty,
The charity helps people in poverty.
financial,
We discussed our financial goals.
culture,
I enjoy learning about different cultures.
religion,
Religion is important to many people.
Tradition.
Our family follows this tradition.
Custom.
This is a local custom.
Generation.
Each generation learns new things.
History.
We learn from history.
Ancient.
We visited an ancient building.
Modern.
The city has modern buildings.
Traditional.
We ate traditional food.
International.
She works for an international company.
Local.
We support local businesses.
National.
Today is a national holiday.
Global.
Climate change is a global issue.
Social.
Social activities help people connect.
Public.
The park is open to the public.
Private.
This is a private meeting.
Equal.
Everyone should have equal opportunities.
Responsible.
We are responsible for our actions.
Peaceful.
We hope for a peaceful future.
Unity.
Unity makes a community stronger.
Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 19.
Goodbye and happy learning!